Spring is here, and soon the cicadas will be too.
Orange? Who made the console orange? Hello, I'm Anxiety.
That sounds familiar.
April 2024 saw trillions of periodical insects begin their descent on the Midwest and Southeast of the United States. They caused so much noise that local residents called the police to complain. These insects are called cicadas. Two broods of cicadas, brood 19 and brood 13, which came out every 13 years and 17 years respectively, are emerging at the same time for the first time in 200 years. There are more than 3,390 species of cicadas around the world, but only 7 in North America are known to be periodical. The rest emerge annually. Periodical cicadas live several inches underground, drinking sap from plant roots, and when the soil temperature hits about 18 degrees Celsius, they emerge. Cicadas do not bite, sting, or carry diseases, and cannot be effectively controlled by pesticides. The male cicadas produce a loud buzzing sound by singing together from the trees to attract females. Interested females respond with a quick flip of their wings, which produces more subtle clicking sounds. The cicadas don't just disrupt neighborhoods with their deafening sounds, they can also create chaos in the food chains. While the insect explosion will be brief, they can shape forests for years to come. They will provide a lavish buffet for all kinds of wildlife, especially birds and small mammals. Birds of all shapes and kinds, sparrows, crows, swallows, among others, shift their diet to take advantage of this cicadas banquet. A study published in 2023 found that the emergence of periodical cicadas changes the diets of entire bird communities, and these effects can send ripples throughout the ecosystem. Although they can be harmful to young trees, when females lay eggs in the tree's new growth, they can be beneficial to the region's ecology. They aerate the soil as they create emergence holes to the surface, improving water infiltration to the ground and encouraging root growth. When they die and decompose, they add nutrients to the soil. But despite this, relatively little seems to be known about the real-time effects of living cicadas on food webs. Scientists are capitalizing on this year's dual emergence to find out more about the insect's ripple effect on other species, both in the animal and plant kingdoms.
You could go to Grainger.com to find what you
does cicada apocalypse. We were telling you about this. That's when two broods of cicadas will arise from their sleep. Now, this is the first time that we're going to see this many cicadas since the 1800s. And that's because the time frame for these critters to emerge is lining up. So you got one brood that shows up every 13 years. The other shows up every 17 years. And this year just happens to be the year that, that crosses over. So everybody's coming out. Well, luckily for us, we are expected to see only one group here in the Commonwealth. Other states, though, could see both.
Why are cicadas so loud? What are they talking about?
They are talking about...
Are expected to emerge this spring. The cicadas will be spotted in at least a dozen states, mostly in the Midwest and Southeast. This year will feature a rare double brood emergence that hasn't been seen since Thomas Jefferson was president and won't happen again until 2245. The cicadas will emerge when soil temperatures 8 inches deep reach 64 degrees Fahrenheit, likely around mid-May, and last for about 6 weeks. While cicadas may be loud, and there will be lots of them, Scientists say they are harmless. They won't bite or sting you or your pets. They're even safe for dogs and humans to eat.